This is Brand Mechanics, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what branding is in under 3 minutes. And we'll start it off with a question. Name your barber or your favourite hairdresser. Okay, now name your go-to restaurant. What about your trusted mechanic? Got them? Good. Now they earn that spot in your mind because you trust them. That loyalty, that's branding. And this same principle applies to the big brands you know and love. Now think about your favourite automotive brand. Apparel, tech, fitness, hospitality. These handful of brands already live in your head and they own that space. That's what branding is. So your goal with branding is to live in the hearts and minds of as many people as you can in exactly the same way. Now here's where most business owners sabotage their own success. They start with the surface, logos, fonts, stylish websites. They think that's a brand. It's not, it's decoration. It's like a Christmas tree without the presents. So design can catch the eye, but it doesn't always get people digging out their wallets. Branding done right, however, engineers trust at scale. Take Apple, ask anyone why they love the iPhone. They won't say 5G chipset or retina display. They'll say it's simple, it just works, my whole family uses it. It just makes everything easier. That's a brand experience which creates a positive feeling and it's engineered. One of Apple's core values is simplicity. Every detail, design, packaging, store layout, and it's how you experience it. See, branding isn't how you look, it's how you behave, and that behaviour is driven by values. You don't like your best friend for the clothes they wear, it's because you know they've got your back. So logos only become iconic when they're tied to a consistent positive behaviour and customer experience. An average logo that triggers a positive memory is far more effective than an amazing design that has no meaning. That's why when I called out your local heroes at the start, you knew exactly who they were. Your barber isn't competing on price, and your restaurant probably isn't the cheapest in town. And maybe your mechanic doesn't need to advertise because they own a category in your mind. That's what category defining branding does. And if you want to learn more about brand mechanics, drop a sub and I'll be sharing more soon.